So hey, we're gonna do some tests today of ChatGPT. Okay, so recently there's some new features that were added. So we're just gonna do some tests on translation capabilities, research capabilities, as a matter of fact, even font capabilities, and let's see, what we can actually achieve. Okay, so let's begin. So first, I'm gonna assume that I have colleagues that I'm gonna be having a conference with, and they speak French, Spanish, and maybe Portuguese, and let's see if ChatGPT can do the job of translation for me. Okay. Hello, ChatGPT. So, I'm going to be having a conference with some colleagues of mine, and they only understand French, and I'll be speaking in English. So, I want you to serve as a translator for me. Can you do that?
Bonjour. Oui, je peux servir de traducteur pour vous. Que voudriez-vous dire à vos collègues?
Hello, colleagues. So, it's been a while. We last saw. I trust you're all doing well, and it's a pleasure to be with you all today.
Bonjour, chers collègues. Ça fait un moment depuis notre dernière rencontre. J'espère que vous allez tous bien. C'est un plaisir d'être avec vous aujourd'hui.
Awesome. So the last time we interacted, we talked about so many things and you had so many answers. Today we're going to dive deeper, and I hope that you're going to get insights into the other parts of all that we're going to be discussing. And at the end of the day, we're going to have questions and answer session, and I hope I'll be able to provide answers to all your questions.
Génial. La dernière fois que nous avons interagi, nous avons discuté de nombreux sujets et vous avez eu de nombreuses réponses. Aujourd'hui, nous allons plonger plus profondément et j'espère que vous obtiendrez des informations supplémentaires sur les autres parties de tout ce que nous allons discuter. Et à la fin de la journée, nous aurons une session de questions-réponses et j'espère être en mesure de répondre à toutes vos questions.
Great. So it's been a pleasure, I want to believe you've been able to pick a thing or two from all that we covered today, and I look forward to sharing with you guys next time. See you and bye-bye.
C'était un plaisir. J'espère que vous avez pu apprendre une chose ou deux de tout ce que nous avons couvert aujourd'hui et j'ai hâte de partager avec vous la prochaine fois. À bientôt et au revoir.
Great. So we can see that it did well in translating French pretty much. So let's just try quick Spanish translation and let's see if it's going to work. Okay, so hello ChatGPT. I'm going to be having an interaction with a Spanish colleague of mine who only understands, Spanish. So I'm going to speak in English and I want you to serve as a translator. Can you do that for me?
Hola. Sí, puedo servir como traductor para ti. ¿Qué te gustaría decirle a tu colega en español?
¿Cómo estás, Jonathan?
Okay, so essentially, so this is it. So I just love everything, about ChatGPT, and I just love how you're able to take my English and you translate that into Spanish. That's really, really awesome. So can you let him know that?
Me encanta cómo ChatGPT puede traducir mi inglés al español. Es realmente increíble. ¿Puedes decirle eso?
Y tú le puedes decir que también su inglés es muy precioso.
Sí. Le diré que su inglés también es muy bueno.
Okay, so I'm lost. I'm lost. Anyways, okay, so that is perfectly great. So now we're gonna test, the interaction capabilities of ChatGPT. Maybe, for example, for maybe travel inquiries, things related to that. Maybe fun sports. You want to travel to a particular place and you want to know, okay, what are the best places to visit and all of that. And then we're gonna also test, the research capabilities, and then we're just gonna do some little fun stuff. Okay, so let's see how all of this goes. Okay, hello ChatGPT. So I'm thinking of taking a vacation. Can you tell me like where's the best place to visit at this point in time in 2024?
Hello. It depends on your preferences. Are you looking for a beach destination, a city with cultural attractions, or perhaps a nature-filled getaway?
Well, a nature, yeah, a nature, what do you call that again? A nature-free getaway.
A nature-free getaway. Got it. In that case, you might enjoy visiting a vibrant city known for its cultural attractions, shopping, and dining options. Places like Paris, New York City, or Tokyo could be great options for you.
Okay, so to round this up, we're just gonna try the last thing, and that's, I'm gonna try a tune and see if ChatGPT will be able to identify the tune. Yeah? So let's see. Okay, hello ChatGPT. So I would want you to serve as um an identifier of music for me. By that I mean I'm gonna sing a tune and I want you to tell me which song that is. Can you do that?
Absolutely. Go ahead and sing the tune, and I'll do my best to identify the song for you.
Okay, great. So the first thing goes like this. Ta-ra-ta, ta-ra-dee-ta-ra, pa-ra-ta-dee, ta-ra-dee-da-pee-da.
I'm ready when you are. Sing the tune, and I'll try to identify the song.
I just sang a tune for you. Okay, so I'll go again. Ta-ra-ta, pa-dee-dee-ta-dee, ta-ra-ta-dee, pa-ra-dee-da-dee-dee.
My apologies for the misunderstanding. Could you please try again? Let's give it another shot.
Okay, so let me sing the lyrics of the song. Okay, so wise men said only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
That's Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. Great
Mm,
choice.
I see. Okay. So at the end of the day, anyway, so ChatGPT is able to do a lot of things. So this is just a few things. And of course, a lot of improvement hopefully will come in the future. Hopefully, it's able to detect a tune and maybe kick Shazam out of business. Who knows? But that's something that's possible in the future. But hey, this is some of the features, and of course, you can feel free to explore and yeah, use as you see fit. I wish you all the best. For me, the most important, I think, capability for me that, in terms of what I think will be really, really useful at this point in time for me, it's translation. So communicating with people, colleagues across the world, different languages. Hopefully, ChatGPT will be able to do the job without having to learn the language, and breaking that language barrier. So, hey, that is it. See you some other time. Bye bye, and cheese.